Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to feature other channels on your YouTube channel like you see here. So let's get started. Alright, so I have two YouTube channels and let's say that I want to feature one of my channel in the other one. Now when you go to the channels tab on your YouTube channel, it says currently this channel doesn't feature any other channels. So let's change this. Let's say that I'm going to feature this channel on my second YouTube channel. So first of all, you need to go to the customize channel button here, click there, and it will take you to this channel customization section on your YouTube studio. Now here below we have the featured sections and I want to add here a new section from here. And from this list, you need to choose the featured channels option. Click on that. And here you can give your section any title you want. You don't have to write here featured, but let's say my other channel. And then you need to search here which channel you want to feature on your YouTube channel. You can add here if you have multiple channels, or you can add here other people's channels. Click on search and we see it here. So I select this one and now it is here. Let's say that I want to add a second channel of, just as an example, let's give here Mr. Beast channel. Okay, so I also choose here Mr. Beast and let's add a third one of Marcus Brownlee's channels. Okay, so I selected 3 featured channels. If you want to remove, you can select this button here, and if you want to change the order, then you can do it from here. Okay, I will drag my channel to the top and that's it. Now let's click on done. And now as you can see here below, I have added 3 channels as featured channels. Now when I click on publish, let's go to my channel and here below we can see the featured channels. Now this section is visible on the home tab of my channel, but it should be visible also under the channels tab. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry, this can take a couple of minutes to update. And after you feature other channels on YouTube, now your audience can easily navigate to these channels, or if they wish, they can also easily subscribe from this button here. If you need more tips about YouTube, then check out this playlist and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching.